Health insurance is mandatory for all students, and without it, you can't enroll at your university nor can you complete your residence permit registration. So, this should be one of the top tasks on your checklist after arrival in Germany. So, there are two main types of health insurance in Germany, one of which is the public health insurance, also known as
Gesetzliche Krankenversicherung.
that, abbreviated as GKV and translated as statutory health insurance, is available for most of the students under 30 years old or those in a degree program. The monthly premium ranges from generally 120 euros to 160 euros, and the comprehensive coverage includes your doctor visits, your hospital stays, and medications. This is recommended for most of the international students due to its reliability and its widely acceptance. Then comes your private health insurance, also known as
Private Krankenversicherung.
PKV, and abbreviated as private health insurance itself. It is suitable for most of the students over 30 years old or those in a certain program like language courses or preparatory programs. The monthly costs can vary here, but usually they start from 30 euros. And this has a customizable coverage and often is included with additional benefits. However, the approval and reimbursement can take unpredictable amount of time or usually takes a bit longer than the public health insurance. Okay, wait a minute before you make a decision of going ahead with public health insurance or a private health insurance, because I have written down some key points to help you clarify and make the right choice. Let me go through these for you. The age limit of student health insurance is usually 30 years old, right? Like I said previously. But once you turn 30, you need to switch to a private health insurance or a voluntary insurance plan, which ultimately is more expensive. As you know, health insurance is mandatory for all students. If you are under 30 or if you are enrolled in a degree program, it doesn't matter, it's compulsory for all. And students are usually required to have a public health insurance and not a private. So keep this in mind before you make the decision. Then, reimbursement process. Private insurance often requires you to pay medical services upfront and submit claims for reimbursement, which usually takes unpredictable amount of time. On the other hand, public health insurance typically covers your costs directly, saving you time. And lastly, language preparatory courses or similar other programs. Let's say if you are enrolled for a language course or a preparatory program like Student Collega, then you, my friend, may not be eligible for a public health insurance. In that scenario, you have to opt for a private health insurance. For a public health insurance, there are popular providers like TK, Techniker Krankenkasse, then AOK, Barmer, and similar other ones. You can simply apply to them by visiting their website, providing them your university's admission letter, your passport, your proof of residence, and any other important document that they mention on their website while you apply for it. For a private health insurance, there are companies like Mavista, Care Concept, Hansamer Core, and other popular ones that offer private plans especially for students. Just confirm whether the coverage they provide meet your visa and the university's requirements. You may ask, what if I'm using my travel insurance initially? Well, if you have arrived in Germany with a temporary travel insurance, that's fine. But once you are registered for your studies, you will have to switch to either a public or a private health insurance. And don't wait too long, because as universities, might ask for a proof, or I would say a valid proof of your coverage. So make sure you get it all sorted once you arrive here. And that's it for this video. Choosing a public or a private health insurance usually depends on your age, your course type, and your personal needs, of course. If you are still unsure, my friend, of making the right decision, then I would suggest you to go ahead with a public health insurance, as it is a safer choice for most of the students, and not to mention I myself have a public health insurance too. With that said, I believe this video has provided you some value. If so, then I highly recommend you to check my Studying in Germany playlist, where you will find more such content. And feel free to let me know your thoughts below in the comments if you have any unanswered questions or anything that I haven't covered in this video. Go ahead and drop your comments. I would love to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.